Hey everyone, thank you for coming to Grandma's Corner, our low budget video on how to do things. Today we are going to be making flower arrangements on a budget. It's the best thing ever. All you need is a mug or even a plastic cup. And then you go and you find the most beautiful cuttings of succulents, flowers, more succulents, and even more succulents. You can even get geranium leaves, or if you're lucky enough to come across something like this, that will look beautiful in your arrangements. Simple Simon. All you do is you add a little water into whatever receptacle you choose and start stuffing with all of these beautiful plant parts. Your mother, your father, your sister, uncle, aunt, neighbor, whoever you have in mind will love the arrangements you come up with. It is all your own creation. Enjoy. Make somebody happy today.